Today, the world is facing rapid growth, and with a changing scenario, people's demands are raising their level. This growth has resulted into an overwhelming success in the field of infrastructure. Therefore, infrastructure standard has increased to a remarkable level and refers to the fundamental facilities and systems serving a country. There are many elements which combine to make an infrastructure where ceramic tiles is the main part which plays a vital role. Ceramic tiles have been a popular material for interior and exterior since decades. They come in all shapes and sizes, colors and glazes, and can be used plain, decorated, or as a part of mosaic. Ceramic tiles are a popular choice of flooring due to their aesthetic appeal as well as their durability and easy care. On the other side, customers' choices and demands have also upgraded their level. People are always attracted to a new and unique product in the market. Nowadays, ceramic tiles manufacturing companies are chasing to achieve the impossible standard, and we have achieved these impossible standards. Millenium Tiles, elegance redefined. Being established way back in 2011, Millenium Tiles has been developing a distinctive brand of leadership equipped to address critical challenges faced by industry and society. It is a matter of pride that the largest number of tiles and designs provided by Millenium Tiles. Millenium Tiles is the premier manufacturing unit in India, globally recognized for production of the finest floor and wall tiles. We are certified for Environmental Management System by LMS, ISO 9001 by BSCIC, Quality Management System, and Certificate of Compliance by UKCERT. Our designing team. We are having a dedicated team of designers who are expert in its field. First and most important part in tiles manufacturing is its design. Here, we create high-definition designs and take care of color balancing, toning, sharpening, lightening, embossing, highlighting, and give Italian touch-up. We at Millenium Tiles take care of people's choice and demand for developing designs that are loved by customers. We develop tiles that are internationally recognized by renowned architects and engineers. Our R&D department and our quality control department. Millenium Tiles holds in-house laboratory where the quality is analyzed of both the raw material used for production as well as for the finished product. It is the latest technology which makes it possible to substantially improve the characteristics of tiles manufactured as per international standards and certification requirement. Our quality raw materials. The raw materials used to form tile consist of clay minerals mined from the earth's crust. This raw material used for production is characterized by the purities of composition and appropriate parameters. They are transported from storage cell to mass processing facility where they are loaded into one of the raw material boxes. Then these raw material enters tubular blenders. This ball mill consists of large rotating cylinder partially filled with grinding pebbles and small amount of water to achieve proper mixing and fine amount of grinding. Here, the raw material is pulverized until homogeneous liquid mass is obtained. The excess water is now removed using spray dryer. This involves pumping the slurry to an atomizer consisting of a rapidly rotating disc or nozzle. Droplets of the slip are dried as they are heated by a rising hot air column, forming small, free-flowing granules that result in a granulated mass suitable for forming. After this process, it is stored into stainless steel silos and transferred through conveyor belt. Different types of granulated mass are transported on conveyor belt to undergo for the collection stages. From the moment of raw material is loaded, the whole process is computer controlled. Automated presses are used with operating pressures as high as 5000 kg. In this way, the design and shape is given pressing that obtains the square tile. After that, the tile undergoes the 5-layer dry state where it removes the excess of water, ensuring the appropriate mechanical strength of the product. The material batches are then transported along the dryer on thermoceramic roller. Once drying is done, the milled glazes are applied using centrifugal glazing method. The glaze is fed through a rotating disc that flings the glaze onto the tile. In this waterfall method, a stream of glaze falls onto the tile as it passes on a conveyor underneath. After glazing is done, exclusive design is applied on the tile that is developed by expert designers at Millenium Tiles. Best and latest technology EFI printers are used to get extraordinary quality print on the tiles with long-lasting life. After glazing, the tile is heated intensely to strengthen it and give it the desired porosity. Millenium Tiles hosts 3 latest generation energy-saving semi-kiln over 250-meter long kiln. This firing process takes place in the continuous kiln, which consists of a chamber through which the ware is slowly moved on ceramic roller at a temperature nearly around 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. After firing tiles, it is transported to the polishing line. This process is intended for obtaining tiles categorized by high degree of surface shine. The polishing line is the biggest with 64 head from Kedah. The technological process begins the moment tiles are placed under the processing head equipped with a diamond disc. The final result is 70% to 75% of charging polished surface of tiles. To obtain the expected quality, the tiles' edges are calibrated to ensure the desired sizes and verification after all the production process using apple sizer and planer machine. The skillful sorter segregates the tiles manually into premium, standard and substandard grade. Tiles are transported to packing department where the batch ID and date is printed to display the product. In this stage, the boxes are placed on pallet and transported to the finished product warehouse with the help of a forklift truck. Our product range. We manufacture digital floor tiles, digital wall tiles, digital parking tiles, vitrified tiles and digital Pvt tiles and many more. These sizes are 300 mm by 300 mm, 600 mm by 600 mm, 800 mm by 800 mm and 800 mm by 1200 mm. Our network. We are having more than 200 dealers across India, 3 overseas depot and offices and 1 dedicated export house.
We at Millenium Tiles are committed towards serving our customer, our employee and our stakeholders by capitalizing opportunities prevailing in ceramic market. Since 1997, we are expanding our portfolio with different sizes, different designs and different products for ceramic industry. Our company is growing with a rate of 15% annually, which is commendable for ceramic industry. As of 2010, we used to focus on local market. Since then, we have changed our strategy and we started focusing on overseas market. Our presence in Middle East, Gulf countries, Latin America and Europe is evidence of our footprint overseas. Manufacturing industries play a vital role in social and economic growth of any country. Our company is realizing corporate social responsibility by educating society, by generating employment and with various social services. We are equally conscious about environment for betterment of society. We at Millenium Tiles will keep on contributing society with our innovative products and with our healthy business practices.
Our group of companies journey started way back in 1993 and now with 6 ceramic and vitrified tiles manufacturing unit, Millenium Paper and Bell Laminates, we are one of the biggest groups of companies in Morbi. Millenium Tiles is on course to raise its global prominence, to enhance its position as an international leader in manufacturing the best quality tiles and thought generation. Millenium Tiles is further strengthening its research base and inspiring diversity in perspectives. Aspired to be inspired by the changing world, Millenium Tiles has emerged as a proactive leader in the world of floor coverings. Millenium Tiles, elegance redefined.